Hello. In my earlier video, we learned about how to deploy ECR, that is container registry, a kind of a Docker. We successfully created a repository using ECR. Now, in this video, we will learn about how to run this container, okay, using this Fargate. Okay, just let me explain that the elements which you should understand is that once you launch this Fargate is a little bit your ECS. So here this doesn't use this EC2 container, EC2 as a backend. This can be done using a container service with serverless. So what we do is that first we go to the ECS dashboard and let us create a cluster. So I quickly go to this ECS. I search for Fargate. So still I get this container service ECS. So just click the ECS, the first step. So get started. So you see this, we need to first deploy the cluster, then we can add these task definitions. So this is my main dashboard of Fargate Elastic Container Service. I select this clusters first, create a cluster. So I select this, this is mainly for networking only, for use with either Fargate or external instances. Go to next step. So give the cluster name. I can give cluster name as a Fargate cluster and create a VPC. I don't leave as remaining rest all, you can leave as it is. So my cluster is successfully created. So once you go into the cluster, you can view the cluster which is active. So here you can check clearly that there are no instances running here. So this is how the differs, there is a difference. So now next is you need to create or add a task. Okay, so just go to task definitions, create a new task definition. So select this Fargate and go to next step. About what task and container is. You see this that containers are the part of a task, and like the CPU and memory shared by the containers inside. Okay, containers specific CPU and memories can be allocated. Now let us move ahead in creating this what we call the task. Okay, so the task definition name, the task role, letter mode is VPC. Yeah, you can even select this memory, the lowest one, 0.5 GB. The task CPU, task CPU 1 can be 0.25 CPU. Okay, and yep, now I think we can add container. Yep, the container name. So I can give my container name as hello world and image the uh, I mean the repository's URI. Okay. Uh, yep, you can say image URI. Copy this URI and paste it here. Latest. Okay. Okay, and the memory limits can be 128, and this is port 80. If you want, this is optional health check. Environment, the CPU units, and keep all the other things same, which goes to defaults. And then once this is done, you can just say create. Okay, just add, and what you need to do is create. Okay, this is more or less getting created. View the task definition. Okay, under actions, you can run this task. So launch type is Fargate. Application platform is latest number of tasks. And okay, under this cluster VPC, you can select the VPC, and subnets. You can at least select a couple of subnets, maybe one C or maybe one D. Okay, and the security group leave it as it is. Assign a public IP. Rest all remaining same. Run this task. Okay, the task started running, and now this is active. So how to select this task? Uh, okay, you can select, see the task is running. Click the task. You should see the public IP and copy and try this. Verify whether your application started running. Here you should see that there is no EC2. So this is how this Fargate can really help you to deploy from the repository. Okay, and I hope you have gone through ECS demo. Congratulations, your application is now deployed. Thank you, and hope to see you with another video. Thank you and bye.